So we're just, I don't know what day this is, day 3 on the claws, and we're making American Eagle Foundation. I'm bad because I was calling it the American Bald Eagle Foundation, and it's the American Eagle Foundation, so I'll watch myself on that one. So I'm making the palm of the claws where the pipe all joins, so we're closing up that, and then this will get all welded in. And then I'm making templates for the second one, and then we're gonna start fitting all the lower palm into these ones. And then one of the next things I have to do is they kind of have like some pads on their feet, so I'll fabricate some lumps on the inside here, which will be the pads of the feet. Once those are done and this is closed up, I'll be able to do all the dimpling. So everything's covered in dimples. Then there'll be some final cleanup and polishing to do, and some final cleanup and polishing on the claws. And I made a whole crap load of these. These are the scales on the toes, so they'll be all welded on like that. And you can see them on this one, how we're getting this, the top piece. This all has to be welded still. And then these will come down a little further, and then it'll be all covered in weld and dimples. And hopefully, I think it's looking well that I'll be actually done the feet tomorrow. Eyeballs and all that stuff. So the key components is what I'm working on. So after the claws, it'll be the head. Once the head's on, then it's just feathering, and most of the feathers are built already, so it should go pretty quick. I haven't built the big wingtip feathers, so the wingtip feathers will be next. And then I'm hoping we should be able to wrap this project up in 3 or 4 weeks. 3 weeks is ideal, is what I'd like to do, but I don't know if I can get it done that quick. No fun. It's a start though, see?
Yeah, and then you flipped it over and
yeah, and then 3
Ethan
of us.
helped you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Exactly what we did. Yeah, and then we pushed on it like that and pulled.
This is how you make feathers the real man way?
It's